If your DoorDash Dasher app is stuck on the loading screen, you're definitely not alone. This has become an increasingly common issue, especially during peak delivery hours like lunch and dinner rushes. There are three main reasons why your Dasher app might freeze on the loading screen. Understanding these causes will help you identify and fix the problem more effectively. First, cache and data corruption. Over time, your Dasher app accumulates temporary files that can reach hundreds of megabytes. When these files become corrupted or outdated, they prevent the app from initializing properly. Second, server status problems. DoorDash servers can experience regional outages or become overwhelmed during high traffic periods. This leads to connection timeouts that prevent your app from loading properly. Third, device limitations. Older devices with insufficient RAM or outdated operating systems simply struggle to run the modern Dasher app. When your device doesn't have enough available memory, the app can't complete its loading process. Understanding the app's loading process helps explain where things can go wrong. The Dasher app goes through four distinct stages when starting up: authentication verification, location services initialization, market data synchronization, and finally connecting to the real-time order feed. Any interruption during these stages can cause the app to freeze on the loading screen. Problems with cache, servers, or your device can disrupt this carefully orchestrated startup sequence. The first and most effective solution is clearing your app's cache and data. This resolves about 85% of loading screen issues by removing corrupted temporary files. For iPhone users, iOS doesn't allow selective cache clearing, so you'll need to completely uninstall and reinstall the Dasher Direct app from the App Store. If clearing cache doesn't work, force close the app completely. Don't just minimize it, fully close it from your recent apps menu, wait 30 seconds, then reopen it. Network connectivity issues cause many loading problems. Try toggling airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to reset your connection. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Check if DoorDash servers are experiencing outages by visiting their status page or checking Down Detector for real-time reports from other users. These four steps resolve over 95% of Dasher app loading issues. Start with clearing cache, then force close the app, check your network connection, and finally verify server status. Most problems are fixed within the first two steps.